Have you ever felt like you don't quite fit into the mold that society creates for most people? Maybe you've been told you're different, or you've noticed that you see the world in a way that others don't. But here's the thing, being different doesn't make you wrong, it makes you extraordinary. In fact, some of the greatest minds, creators, and visionaries in history stood out for all the right reasons. In this video, we're uncovering 8 powerful signs that you're not like most people, and trust me, that's a good thing. If even one of these signs resonates with you, it means you've got qualities that make you truly one of a kind. So, let's dive in and see how your uniqueness is your greatest strength. Let's start with number 1, you have a deep sense of intuition. While most people rely solely on logic or external opinions, you have an almost magical ability to sense things others miss. Your gut feelings are rarely wrong, whether it's about a person's intentions or the right decision to make in a tricky situation. You might find yourself picking up on vibes, emotions, or even subtle patterns that others completely overlook. It's not just intuition, it's your inner compass guiding you through life. And trust me, this isn't something everyone has. It's a gift, so never doubt its power. Number 2, you think differently, deeply and creatively. You're not the kind of person who accepts things at face value. Instead, you're always questioning, analyzing, and seeking deeper meaning. While others might focus on surface-level matters, you're drawn to the big questions. Why are we here? What's the purpose of it all? This depth of thought allows you to see things from angles others can't even imagine. It's like you're playing chess while the rest of the world is playing checkers. People might call you a dreamer, but you know better. You're a visionary. Number 3, you value authenticity over popularity. In a world where so many people try to fit in, you've chosen to stand out. You don't care about following trends or impressing others. For you, being true to yourself is far more important than being liked by everyone. You can't stand fake behavior or superficial relationships. Instead, you crave depth, realness, and connections that truly matter. This authenticity makes you magnetic. People trust you because they know you're real, and that's rare. Number 4, you embrace your individuality. You've probably been called weird or different at some point in your life. But instead of letting that bring you down, you've learned to own it. Whether it's an unconventional hobby, a unique sense of humor, or an unusual perspective, you celebrate the things that make you, you. The truth is, the world needs more people who aren't afraid to be themselves. You inspire others to embrace their own uniqueness simply by being unapologetically yourself. Number 5, you have a natural empathy that sets you apart. You don't just listen to people, you feel what they're going through. When someone's in pain, it's as if their emotions flow directly into your heart. This empathy isn't just about being kind, it's about truly understanding others on a soul-deep level. While some might see emotions as a weakness, you know they're your strength. Your ability to connect with people on such an emotional level is a gift that brings comfort and healing to those around you. Number 6, you're not afraid to question the status quo. You don't just go along with the crowd. In fact, you often find yourself wondering why people blindly follow rules or traditions that don't make sense. You're the kind of person who challenges outdated ideas and isn't afraid to stand up for what you believe in, even if it makes you unpopular. This independent mindset means you're a trailblazer, paving your own way instead of following the path laid out for you. It's not easy being different, but your courage to think outside the box is what makes you truly remarkable. Number 7, you're endlessly curious. For you, life is one big adventure filled with endless opportunities to learn and grow. You're constantly asking questions, exploring new ideas, and seeking out knowledge. Whether it's reading, experimenting, or diving into a new passion, you're always hungry for more. While others might be content staying in their comfort zones, you thrive on growth and discovery. Your curiosity keeps life exciting and ensures you're always evolving into the best version of yourself. And finally, number 8, you inspire others without even trying. Because you're so authentic, empathetic, and driven, people naturally gravitate toward you. You might not even realize it, but your presence motivates others to be better, to think deeper, and to embrace their own uniqueness. Whether it's through your actions, your words, or simply your energy, you leave an impact on everyone you meet. You're a natural leader, not because you seek power, but because people admire your authenticity and courage. So, if you see yourself in any of these signs, know this: you're not like most people, and that's exactly what makes you special. The world needs individuals like you, people who think differently, feel deeply, and live authentically. Embrace your uniqueness, because it's your greatest strength. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content that celebrates what makes you extraordinary. And remember, being different isn't something to hide, it's something to celebrate. See you in the next video.